We're going to make a pinwheel block. And my points don't match up because I'm not teaching you how to make it perfect. I'm just teaching you how to make it. Because done is better than perfect. And we're going to fail forward.
We're going to start off with 4 5-inch squares of 2 different colors or patterns. We're going to be cutting these straight down the middle, but first lay them right sides together. And you know that center line we're going to cut? I want you to find 1/4 of an inch next to it on the left and right and draw a line, just like this. People do this in different ways. Some people draw a line down the middle, but this is what I find the easiest to sew a straight line. Pin it on up, take it to your sewing machine, and sew down those 2 lines that we just drew. And now we get to make half square triangles. Take out those pins and cut straight down the center. And then look at there. It's just like magic. We want to make sure that we press those seams though. I like to press towards the darker fabric so that the dark fabric doesn't show underneath the light fabric. Repeat this whole process for the rest of your fabric. We want to now size these down to 4.5 inches. I know my process might be a little weird to some people, but I like to get rid of some of the sides first. But this is my favorite ruler to square up anything. You need the 4 inches, just match up the 4 inches. You need 2 inches, match up the 2 inches, and it's a perfect square. It's amazing. Would you just look at that? Now repeat the process over and over. And then now it's time to put them together. You want your light and dark fabrics to be alternating, and then take each row and put them right sides together. You're gonna sew a 1/4 inch seam at the bottom of each of these. And when you're done with that, you're gonna take these 2 rows and sew another 1/4 inch, just like this. But hang on, we gotta do something first. We really want these seams to lay flat together to make the sewing experience a lot more enjoyable. So we're gonna press those seams open. And as you can see, now they fit like a glove. So okay, now we can sew that 1/4 inch down that column. And that is in fact the last step. If your points don't match up perfectly, that's okay because we learned the basics. It only gets better from here. Give it one final press and enjoy your new work of art.
And we just made our first pinwheel blocks together. I'm sure that your points are a little more centered than mine. You inspire me. Check back next week because I'm going to show you how to make an even more beginner-friendly quilt block. Happy sewing.